This video is about getting rid of the pop-up alerts that are associated with the website Thangkyoua.top. If you try to analyze the name of this website, of course, it doesn't make any decent sense at all. The website is interconnected with some other websites that are extremely malicious, and the mission of this website is to force you into subscribing to its permanent web push notifications. The pop-up indicates that you need to click on the Allow button to continue your browsing. The reality is that whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on Allow button, this very moment their browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. So stay away from clicking on Allow button, and if it was clicked, that is surely a mistake and you need to fix it immediately. For this purpose, go to the menu of your browser, go to Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, then in Permissions you need to choose Notifications. Go to the bottom of the list and find this Thangkyoua.top site. Click on this button and remove the site from the list, as well as other junk sites that you find here. Finally, I would also strongly advise that you perform additional research of your computer with Combo Cleaner. Your computer could be messed up with some other hidden adware or browser hijackers or even malware, so scanning with Combo Cleaner will help you to detect the sources and the exact place of such threats and to get rid of them effectively.
After you have successfully downloaded and installed the Combo Cleaner antivirus, this is the way it looks like. There are three scan types available: Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The premium version is required if you would like to fully enjoy the feature called anti-malware and anti-ransomware. So you will only be able to activate these two important features, these two important security mechanisms with the premium version of the program. Anti-malware scanner, it helps potential infections in the early stages. So that's the way to get your computer fully protected against all possible threats, infections, viruses, and other types of malware. Anti-ransomware feature, once it is enabled, protects your files from being encrypted. By the way, you may add a special folder where you will store all your important documentation that will be duly protected by the Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after you select your preferred scanned type, click on Start Scan, and the program will begin the checkup and the analysis of your computer. Not only will it detect problems related to threats like malware, ransomware, or viruses, it will also help you to fix and recover your browser from unwanted ads, redirections, intrusive push notifications, and other types of intrusive adware. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the report about the threats and their exact location on your computer. The good thing is that Combo Cleaner antivirus helped us to protect our computer and our important documentation from being encrypted by the ransomware. Therefore, use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully protected against all sorts of contemporary threats. And you may find the link to download the program in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.